Christmas has come again, the day everyone has been waiting for. Santa and his helper, little reindeer, arrived with a sleigh full of presents. Santa and little reindeer move quickly like ninjas, delivering each present to the right place. But sometimes, tricky puzzles appear.
Whose socks looks big and round like a drum?
Big, thick, and shaped like a big tube. That must be
The elephant! The elephant loves drawing. His dream is to become a painter someday.
So. His present is the great artist drawing set.
Whose socks has 3 toes? Like a little fork?
3 toes in front and 1 in the back. That must be
The bird. The bird loves flying high. His dream is to fly all the way to space.
So. His present is a space suit and rocket wings.
Whose socks is round with a V-shaped split at the end?
A V shape. V, boing, 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 boing. That must be
The pig. The pig loves singing and dancing. Her dream is to go on a diet and become an idol star.
So. Her present is a sparkly idol costume and microphone.
Whose socks looks like a dozen tiny rice grains?
Tiny little rice grain feet, lined up in a row. That must be
The caterpillar. Little caterpillar is slow and often left behind. His dream is to race with his insect friends in the flower field and win first place.
So. His present is tiny roller skates.
Whose socks is long and curls at the end?
Wiggly, twirly feet. That must be
The octopus. The octopus loves cool heroes. His dream is to become a hero of justice someday.
So. His present is a hero costume of love and courage.
Whose socks looks like a mitten with a separated thumb?
Feet that can grab things like hands. That must be
The chimpanzee. The chimpanzee loves music. His dream is to play in a big orchestra someday.
So. His present is a tuxedo and cymbals.
Whose socks is small and shaped like a little fava bean?
Soft and puffy like marshmallow bean feet. That must be
The baby. The baby's socks is already filled with many wonderful things.
Let's see first. A lovely name. And gentle voices calling that name. And warm hands that hold the baby close. And kind hearts that stroke the baby saying, "We love you." The baby's socks is overflowing with the greatest gift, love. Santa has a special gift, too.
What is it?
It is the seed of dreams. May you dream many good dreams. Care for them, and may each one come true. Merry Christmas!
Today we put many different presents into many different shapes of sockses.
Everyone had their own sock shape and their own special dream. May each seed of dreams grow into a shining star of hope, lighting up the world forever.
Christmas night sparkles because everyone's hope shines, turning the night into a glowing, holy evening.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.